This is the Rolex Datejust 41, model number 126333. The outer white box is clean and simple, featuring only a large embossed Rolex logo. Inside is the green Rolex presentation case, featuring a gold logo and a wave effect on top. The cream interior is also left very simple in order to make the watch the main focus. The 5-year warranty card, wallet and instruction book are neatly stored away under the logo on the inside of the lid. The Datejust was introduced in 1945 and was the first watch to feature a date that automatically changed. It was also the first Rolex to feature the now iconic cyclops lens over the date window, which was invented by Rolex and introduced in 1953. The Datejust has become synonymous with great world leaders, and in its many variations has been worn by US presidents, and even Winston Churchill owned one. The face of this watch has been carefully designed to work perfectly with the gold and steel finish. It features a slate grey face and Roman numerals on each of the hour markers, excluding the 12 o'clock position, which displays a gold Rolex logo, the 3 o'clock position, which features the date window, and a luminescent marker with a gold border at the 9 o'clock position. Each black hour marker has a subtle green border, and the hour and minute hands are 18 karat gold. The face is protected by a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. The iconic gold fluted bezel surrounds the face, making the watch sparkle as light moves over it and gives the watch a classic Rolex luxury look. The side of the watch features the winding crown with a twin-lock double waterproof system. Inside is a caliber 3235 perpetual mechanical self-winding movement that is designed and manufactured entirely by Rolex. The screw-down caseback keeps the watch waterproof up to 100 meters or 330 feet and has been left plain, as is often the case with Rolex watches. The Oyster bracelet is made up of flat 3-piece links and is a combination of 904L steel and 18 karat gold. It is fastened with a folding oyster clasp and allows the wearer to make fine adjustments for a perfect fit. Although 41mm is larger than the original Datejust, on today's standards it would be considered a normal size for a sports watch and will fit most wrists. The combination of textures and colours on this watch have been masterfully designed to create a stunning looking watch that exudes luxury and will make a great addition to any collection. You can find out more about this watch on our website at www.iconicwatches.co.uk. If you found this video useful, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more watch unboxings coming soon. Iconic Watches is an online luxury watch specialist, with a dedicated showroom in the High Street of Blackburn, where we have been for the last 71 years. We sell 100% genuine watches at discount prices and are a member of the National Association of Goldsmiths. All of our watches are sourced from authorised dealers and come with an original manufacturer's warranty and carry a lifetime guarantee of authenticity. We stock over 200 watches that can be dispatched straight away for next day delivery, and if we don't have what you were looking for in stock, we can order from one of our authorised dealers. Order online today and we can ship it to you with worldwide delivery available. Find out more at iconicwatches.co.uk.